trigger. Ain't nobody gonna.
Hi guys, this is Ryan Fernandez.
Hi, this is Joel Rodriguez.
And we are from Trending Shield TV.
Yeah, India's most promising YouTube channel.
Yes, yeah. And as you all know, our last video went viral.
Yes. Oh, that Priya Prakash one.
Yeah, you want that video. This is another video.
Another?
Yeah. And it went viral like anything.
Oh no.
Yes,
viral fever.
Yeah, like fever only. Yeah.
Yeah, malaria. This time I'll put you, man.
Yeah. And yeah, we got shoutout.
Shoutout?
Yes. Shoutout from top trending professionals.
Professional?
Yes.
Which professional?
You don't know, man. She's Taylor.
Taylor?
Yes.
Oh, Namma Gibbon Taylor.
No, man, he's gents. This is ladies.
Ladies Taylor.
Yes, yeah. And do you know what?
What?
She's also a singer.
Singer?
Yes, singer.
Yeah, bathroom singer. Yeah. Takle mare.
Okay, yeah, she's also a singer.
Singer?
Yes.
Tailoring plus singing.
No, man.
Double income.
She's only a singer.
Only singer?
Yes.
Who is she?
She's Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift?
Yes. You don't know. Let's watch a video. Yeah.
Man, I hate cardio.
Taylor Swift. Yeah. Okay.
Hey, next.
Yeah. And we also featured on an app. Yeah, trending app.
Oh, Shadi.com.
Not that, man. This another app. Another. Yes. It's a learning app.
Learning app?
Yes, learning.
Yeah, OLX. Hey, OLX didn't help me.
Ignore. Yeah. And do you know which app?
Which is that app?
It's a Byju's learning app.
Byju?
Yes. Let's watch video.
Come fall in love with learning. Download Byju's, the learning app.
Only one video.
No, other video also.
Oh, Priya Prakash one.
Yeah, watch it.
Come fall in love with learning. Download Byju's, the learning app. Download Byju's, the learning app.
Byju's, yeah. Next, yeah. And we also got promoted by top YouTuber.
Top YouTubers? Oh, AB.
Not AB. This guy is having more subscribers.
More subscribers?
Yeah. He's number one.
Number one?
Yeah.
He saw our video?
Yeah. His best channel is ours.
Our channel?
Yeah. He told.
Yes. Thanks to him.
Yeah.
But who is he?
He's PewDiePie. Yes.
Oh, American Pie.
No, not American. He's PewDiePie. Yes. Let's watch our video.
Okay.
My name is PewDiePie, and I approve of this message. Guys, check out my new favorite channel. It is so good. Oh my god. Guys, this is bullshit. Stop doing this.
Next. Okay.
Ed Mariani Marani.
Next. We also featured on a show. Yeah. Top show.
Road show.
Not road show.
Big show. Yeah. Big show at the Kapil Sharma show.
No, not Kapil Sharma show. This is other show. Hollywood show. The Alan show. Yeah.
Any more?
Yeah, one more, yeah. You know, we got promoted White House.
Oh no!
White House bar and restaurant. No, not that. This is another White House, yeah. And we got promoted by Honorable President of USA.
Donald Trump.
Yes, Donald Trump, yes.
America dara. Attu namma Panjida Masadar. Yer mare takkale mare.
Takya ekkada kodidra. Okay, yeah. Let's watch this video. Yeah.
With that in mind, we have a message from a special guest that I'd like to share with you. With that, I'll ask you to tune into the screens, and then I'll continue from there.
Donald Trump, yeah. And we thank Donald Trump.
Yeah, and all others.
Yeah, everyone. And actually there are many celebrities. Everyone promoting. Yeah.
ये तो बंडल रुपया मार रहा है.
And let's wind up our video for today. And if you like our video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to our channel. And we are great need of 1,000 subscribers. So please watch our video and please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.